In this day and age, you got to be a jack of all trades, and if you want to be better, you got to be a master of most, like me.
Yeah, right, Manav. In fact, HP has mastered the art of making printers.
And in fact, they've given some of them superpowers. Yes, they can print, but they can print on paper, they can print on your walls, your clothes, your shoes, and even your vehicles. Take a look.
Showcased their HP DesignJet portfolio at Media Expo held at Pragati Maidan. This time on the HP Sign and Display and Design, aimed at providing printing solution for the indoor and outdoor industry, keeping the environment in mind. And the new thing that they had to show was latex printing technology, a breakthrough technology that uses water-based latex inks and is environmental friendly. It helps target customers reach new levels of graphic printing with high-quality results. HP demonstrated its latex technology with its series of flagship printers HP DesignJet L26500 and thermal inkjet technology with HP DesignJet Z6200, aimed to edify the consumers about the eco-friendly technology and green credentials.
Technology has come a long way, and if you talk about printing technology, well, it's not just stuck to printing your photographs anymore. It's come on to your coffee mug, your clothes, and even to your vehicles.
Yes, the most stunning part is that it can print directly on vinyl, wallpaper, polyester fabrics, and can be used as vehicle wraps, interior decorations, customized wallpaper, POP display materials, soft signage. Through these range of innovative printers, HP aims to promote the adoption of HP latex ink as a superior alternative to eco-solvent solutions that delivers the versatility and ease of use.
This technology is capable of printing on wide variety of media and substrate, and that's what's unique about this particular product. So latex brought that revolutionary change where you could print both for indoor and outdoor applications on one machine.
Compatible with more than 500 media solutions from banners, textiles, paper, SAV films, synthetic medias, including the new HP double-sided HDPE reinforced banner material. One could make out by the display with a wide variety of applications for outdoor, retail, interior decoration, vehicle graphics and wallpaper segment, which was exclusively produced on printers from the HP and was an eye-opener for how stylish and extensive can printing go.
You know, Manav, ever since I was a child, I wanted to travel across the world, visit places, travel different countries. Will you be able to take me?
Of course, Ridhima. Around the world in 8 minutes.
What?
Yes, have you ever heard of Google Wonders? Well, it is really wondrous.